Today we're going to walk through how to add a problem from the problem bank into your section. From the main roster page, we're going to click on Assignments in the top bar. From here, we're going to click on Add Assignment on the right side of the page. This is going to bring up a few different options. Today we're going to add something from the problem bank, which is down here under Community Content. This is going to bring us into the bank itself, and once we've found the problem we want to add, we're going to click on it. Once we're in the problem, the button titled Assign is right at the top. This is going to bring up the different courses we can add the problem to, and in this case, I'm going to add it to Nathan's Demo Intro to JavaScript course. And that is how you add a problem from the problem bank into one of your sections.